that you have on the side, you could also prep your stuff in advance. So this way, when you're ready to cook, sometimes you don't have time to do all of the last minute stuff. So yeah, you can just do that. And it's ready to go. It makes it go faster. Everything is good and you're done. So everything was washed already, guys. So again, this is where the prep comes in, by washing your stuff before you actually use it. Okay, so that is for that. There's no special size you need when you're doing your cut fish and your veggies. You could do it any size you want, whether it's chunky, whether it's thin, doesn't really matter. It's exactly what you're looking for, and that's all you need. Okay, guys, no special way of doing it. So the cut is ready. I'm going to add some oil to that. Just steam the cabbage and carrots and peppers and green onions and onions, all there, ready to go with the parsley. Okay, so that is done there. Okay. Now I'm going to sweeten the cocoa tea because it's ready for sweetening. And I've got the sugar. I'm going to wing it because I average as much as I know I need. That much. Stir it up. I'm going to add a little bit of water after because it's so condensed right now, because it's just cream, cocoa, bay leaves, and cinnamon sticks with a little bit of clove in there. Okay. So it's almost 2 cups of water that I'm going to add to it. Going to let that boil. And that's how you have cocoa tea, natural cocoa tea, guys. Okay, so that should be ready in a minute. Okay, that should be ready in a minute. So my pot is nice and hot. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add the green onions and the regular onions that I have here. Green onions and regular onions. Just going to add some to the pot. I'm saving some for the codfish, which I won't need too much of it. Let that do its thing. All right, that is looking really, really good, guys. I'm going to add the carrots. I'm going to add the cabbage. Just adding everything in one. Then I'm going to cover it down so it steams.